Welcome to Shazza's Travels. Hi, I'm Sharon and this is my trusty camper van, Audrey. Together we travel the open road, but I also love to jump on a plane or board a ship for new adventures. In this episode we head to the amazing Haribo factory outlet on the outskirts of Bonn, where we stock up on a few supplies. We then head to a Stellplatz by the Rhine and take a train ride into the city. We visited the Haribo factory outlet in Bonn, birthplace of the gummy bear. The outlet offers the entire Haribo and Moam assortment across 350 square metres, as well as merchandise. The outlet is on the outskirts of the city and has plenty of free parking. We didn't have any problem parking Audrey here. In the store you will find row upon row of Haribos and Moams from around the world, as well as lots of merchandise. There is just so much to choose from. And if you can't make up your mind what sweets to buy, you can always buy a mystery box. We bought one Moam and one Haribo box, as well as a mystery biscuit box. We'll reveal what's in them later. So we are by the Rhine and we have just arrived in Bonn. We're staying in a little Stellplatz next to the World Conference Centre here in Bonn. I think it's got places up to 10 spots. We've just been to the Haribo factory just up the road, and that was quite an experience. Well, Haribo factory shop I should say. Spent an absolute fortune. So here's Audrey. Looks like there's lots of flies around here. There's lots of flies on her bonnet. Not quite sure why, but I'm just going to have a little bit of a wander around. So this is the Stellplatz, so everyone's parallel parking along here. So there's room for 10 vans, but it does say subject to how big vans are and obviously how people park. So we've actually managed to squeeze in on the end, and I've left myself enough space behind in case anyone does come up close to my front, so I'll be able to get out tomorrow. So this is it's about 3 kilometres from the city centre. So what we're going to do later is we're going to walk to the nearest tram station. That's about 900 metres away. So we're going to walk there and get the tram into Hauptbahnhof, so the main railway station in Bonn. And that will bring us right into the city centre. So I'm just going up to the machine just to see the details. It's cashless only, so that's always good, as long as your cards work. So it looks like it takes a bit of everything. Apple Pay, MasterCard, American Express Visa. So that should mean my Caxton currency card will work. And here's the details in terms of paying. So we are here, so we're the vulnerable tariff for 24 hours, €12. So that's pretty good for a major city centre. Of course, Bonn used to be the capital of Germany many years ago, but now it's Berlin. So that's the kiosk. When we come to pay, it looks like it's a case of put your ticket in, and it'll probably read it and tell you how much you need to pay, and then you've got the terminal down the bottom. Later in the day we headed into Bonn city centre and took a wander around.
A few minutes later.
So we're in Bonch Brauhaus. It's a little brewery in the middle of Bonn, and I've ordered their Hefeweizen. It's got a bit of a bittery taste to it, a little bit different to other Hefeweizens I've had. And we've just ordered pork knuckle, so we're going to try the house speciality. So the pork knuckle's just arrived. This is half a pork knuckle. Look at the size of it, it's absolutely huge. And it's served on a bed of sauerkraut and mashed potatoes, and then it's a Bonch beer sauce, sort of gravy. This is going to take some getting through, but we'll give it a go. I don't know where to start. Needless to say, I didn't finish it and I took home a doggy bag.
Soon after, back at the camper van.
So this is the broken biscuit box, I suppose you'd call it, back in the UK. 1 kilograms, and it cost for $3.99, I think it was. So we're just going to open it up and see what's in there. Okay. Sort of like chocolate. Oh. Like chocolate biscuits. They're all falling out. They're not broken. They're odds and sods, I think. Chocolate fingers, hearts, lots of white chocolate fingers. You obviously don't like them. Okay, I suppose not bad for what we got. Very good. So that was €3.99 from the Haribo factory in Bonn. Check it out.
1 hour later.
Before shutting up for the night, we took a stroll from the van alongside the River Rhine.
One eternity later, back in the UK.
So we're back in the UK, and as you will recall, we picked up 2 of these surprise boxes in the Haribo factory. One is a 4 kilogram Moam surprise box, and the other is a 6 kilogram Haribo box. So I'm just going to open them up and see what we've got. So I'm going to start with the Moam box. 4 kilograms, surprise box, no idea what's in this, so we're just about to find out. Let's move on to the 6 kilogram Haribo box. Wow, I think when you consider how many Haribos there are there, I think for £20, excellent value. So if you've got kids and you're near the Haribo shop, it is like going into, it's just like another world. It's unbelievable. I can't really describe it. It's just Haribos everywhere. So I'm going to box them up, but what I would say is if you like Haribos, like I do, like a lot of my friends and family do, and you're in Bonn, definitely go and see the Haribo shop.